Hey guys, so I recently just started a Etsy store doing print-on-demand material. So basically with print-on-demand, I'll do another video about that. But with print-on-demand, it's like drop shipping. You go to a print-on-demand website like Printful or Printful, and what's the other one? Oh, there's quite a few of them. Anyway, just look up print on demand, and what you can do is sign up there. You can put designs on cups, t-shirts, etc., and then you can link these print on demand websites to Etsy. So you create a store in Etsy, you link up those two, you create your designs on clothing or whatever on the print on demand, and you link up with Etsy, and when things sell, you don't have to handle anything at all. The print on demand store or website will send the product directly to the customer. Okay, but what I want to cover, because I've just started an Etsy store and I've linked it with a print on demand. Looks like it's, obviously at the beginning there's a lot of trial and error and, getting through the initial admin, which I have been in the last couple of days. One thing I found was, I had a problem with, I had the wrong currency set on mine. So initially I had New Zealand dollars set, and I couldn't for the life of me figure out how to change it. So, because you want US dollars, so what you do is, hold on, I'll just move this up. Go to this website, Google this, help.etsy.com, and then find, so it's basically the Etsy help store, right? I'm going to go through this. You want to get this title, How to List Items in Your Preferred Currency. Right. You can leave it in your preferred currency, but when it comes to prices, you have to convert it to US dollars, because the Etsy store is in the US. So it's just a hassle you can do without. So come to this, how to list items in your preferred currency. We're going to go through this to set the currency for your shop. Okay, sign into Etsy. I've already done that. Click Shop Manager. Okay, so there's Shop Manager. Click that. Okay, so I was already on the page. As you can see, I've just started. Click Finances. Okay. So go down here, under Shop Manager, click Finances. Hold on. Then click Payment Settings. So Finances, and go up here to Payment Settings. Okay, and what's our next move? Click Currency. There it is. See, you're in Payment Settings, and here's Currency. Click on Currency. Okay, so you've got all that there. What's next? Select your preferred currency. Choose whether you would like the converted price on your current list to be rounded to blah blah blah. But so 7's not that well. I just want to change the currency at this stage. Select your preferred currency. Okay. So Let's go down here. See down here? Choose shop currency. What it was on, that was clicked there, New Zealand dollars. So I've already clicked on there, and then you go down and change shop currency. That should be all good. So there it is. Yeah, so like I say, I'm just starting a store, Etsy store, linked it with Printful. So yeah, one print on demand website is Printful. That's print as in, you know, print some words, Printful. I've found it fairly, you know, once you get past the admin and that, fairly easy to run, but I'm basically still at the teething stage. But I thought because I had a few, you know, I was looping, I was going around in circles, it was making me loopy. I thought I'd show you guys so you don't have to spend, you know, whatever hours trying to figure this little bit out. Okay, cheers.